Okay, so we're getting ready to recolor. And because this is still an absorbent leather, it's gonna drink up a lot, especially on that first coat, even though we primered this section. I'm going to take our color, which gets great coverage and can usually color change in just 2 to 3 coats. I'm gonna dilute this a bit with more of the clear prep and finish and do a base coat on the entire piece. And I'm gonna start with the buttons and also the brass tacks on the side. So to start, the ratios kind of vary. Every project is different, but I didn't actually make a very big bottle of this green. I think it's gonna be enough, but I'm not sure. So I wanna be conservative initially. So I'm gonna stir it up and do 2 parts of the clear with only 1 part of this green in a non-food grade container. After doing the first coat or 2, I'll step up my concentration of color to get better coverage and hopefully not need as much clear. So I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'm gonna do 2 ounces about of this green, set that in a safe spot, and come in with my clear, and I'm gonna do 4 ounces total of that. So I'm getting a roughly 6-ounce yield. So pretty amazing. I used maybe 3 or 4 ounces of clear prep and finish to primer that surface. With the 2 ounces of color and the 4 ounces of clear, the 6-ounce total glaze that I had, I still have about 2 ounces left. And I did all the buttons and 1 coat on everything. It is pretty thin, but that's amazing. I'm gonna combine this with the original color. The little bit of extra clear in there, and now look, I've got like a full 8 ounce again. The little bit of extra clear in there is not a problem. It may even eliminate the need for an additional sealer at the end, which is sometimes needed on high chroma colors, bright colors like red, blue, green, yellow.